Hello guys, good afternoon everyone, and we are here on our second set of surprise for today's video, and we are bound to Macrohon, Leyte para surprise si Nanay Binida sa kanyang kaarawan today. At ayun, maraming salamat po kay Mama Nalisa for choosing surprise and gift delivery, for being a part of your mother's birthday celebration surprise. So ayun, at ito po yung setup package na napili niya, at gold and red nga po pala yung theme natin for today's video, and meron tayo dito 2,000 worth of money bouquet. And meron tayong mga foods na assorted kakanin, fried chicken, cordon bleu, lumpia Shanghai, and of course ang ating carbonara, and of course ang ating Goldilocks cake na kasama po sa package ni Mama. At ayun, sana po ay ma-surprise at ma-prank muna natin ating celebrant for today's video. And maraming salamat po again, Ma'am, for choosing surprise and gift delivery. And ayun, thank you so much again everyone. God bless, keep safe, and peace out.